Let's do this! Before we talk about how the vaccine works, let's talk a bit about your immune system. When something gets in your body that tries to make you sick, you have a whole system that's ready to fight back. This group of organs, cells, and tissues is called the immune system, and its job is to destroy any unwelcome invaders and keep your body healthy. When an invader, like a virus or a bacteria, gets in your body, your immune system senses it and springs into action. Your white blood cells are a crucial part of your immune system. There are several types of white blood cells, and they all work to rid your body of an invader or a pathogen. One type actually surrounds and eats the invader. Other white blood cells, the ones called B cells, work on making antibodies. Antibodies are Y-shaped proteins that are specially shaped to attach themselves to a specific microbe or infected cell. Once they're attached, they can signal to other white blood cells that this cell should be eliminated, or they can actually break down the invader themselves. Please note, your immune system does not make bacteria explode. It just looks cooler. Vaccines work by kind of tricking your immune system, by making it think it's being attacked by a specific pathogen when it's actually not. Older vaccines, like the one for chickenpox, contain a weakened version of the virus that actually causes chickenpox. It's kind of like a sleepy version of the virus. This type of vaccine is called a live attenuated vaccine. The vaccine injects this weakened chickenpox virus into your arm. Your immune system senses it and jumps into action. Because the virus is already weak, your white blood cells and antibodies easily defeat it. But something important happens. Since your body eliminated that virus, if the real full-strength chickenpox virus ever got into your body is now ready to identify it and destroy it quickly. Once again, the chickenpox virus doesn't actually explode. Okay, but the COVID vaccines do something different. They do not introduce any form of the coronavirus into your bloodstream. One type of vaccine injects something called mRNA, which stands for messenger ribonucleic acid, into your body. It's called messenger RNA because it contains instructions on how to make a specific type of protein. You already have these mRNA in your body, and they give your cells instructions on how to make specific proteins that your body needs. But the mRNA in the vaccine does something interesting. It contains information to make something called a spike protein. If you've seen a picture of the coronavirus, you know what these look like. They're the spiky proteins on the outside of the virus. The mRNA in the vaccine passes on the information on how to make spike proteins to a part of your cell called the ribosome. The ribosome reads the mRNA and uses those instructions to assemble the spike protein. Once your body detects these spike proteins, your immune system thinks that your body is under attack from the real coronavirus, even though there's no actual COVID-19 in your body. The white blood cells go into action and produce antibodies that specifically target these spike proteins. In the future, if your body comes into contact with the real coronavirus, it's ready to quickly and efficiently destroy it. The other type of current coronavirus vaccine is called a viral vector vaccine. Basically, the vaccine injects a harmless virus which contains information from the COVID-19 virus. Once again, this vaccine contains no actual coronavirus. Once this harmless virus reaches the body's cells, it teaches them to make copies of those spike proteins. And once again, when your body detects these spike proteins, your immune system thinks it's under attack from the real coronavirus, and it springs into action. If your body comes into contact with the real coronavirus in the future, it's ready to quickly and efficiently destroy it. That's how the vaccines work. These vaccines are totally safe, and grown-ups should get vaccinated as soon as they are allowed to. Okay? Okay.